It's that time of the year again when the Igbos return home for the festive season and the Igbo village mansions begins to trend. This year's theme is People often ask why the Igbos spend billions in building state-of-the-art mansions in their respective villages where they barely visit maybe once or twice in a year. But the truth is, to an Igbo man, a house in the village is more than just a house. This is a cultural significant structure that reflects the wealth, status, and architectural ingenuity of the Igbo people. This mansion serves as a family home, symbol of a lineage pride and the community gathering point. The layout of these mansions are deeply rooted in the Igbo customs, spirituality, and the communal lifestyle, blending the functional living spaces with artistic expressions. This year's version of the Igbo village mansion is even better than the last. With super expensive and luxurious mansions of the great people of our Igbo. If you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon so you can be notified whenever we drop new videos. And remember, we only drop interesting, educating and exciting content. Welcome to the Igbo Village Mansions and Chuxy Media. When I visited Anambra State for the 30th December, there is a quote I heard that got stuck in my head. They said, "There is money and there is Anambra money." This mansion will blow your mind. It is not your regular type of mansion. This is an edifice, a working class of art, a true definition of taste, luxury and uniqueness. Wait until you see the interior of this luxurious mansion. This mansion belongs to an Igbo young billionaire who prefers to stay anonymous. Let me walk you through to the exterior and the interior of this edifice. This state-of-the-art mansion belongs to an Igbo young billionaire, Mr. Chukwuma Ituma, the founder and CEO of Enviable Transport. He is also a business partner to Obi Kubana. He hails from Ezambo in Ebonyi State, Nigeria. During the festive period, this young Igbo billionaire arrived his newly completed country home in grand style with his super expensive and luxurious cars. He was welcomed by his people as he distributed over 500 bags of rice, commissioned his water project, gave out scholarship to the people of his community, and hosted a football competition for his people. Now, let's talk about this luxurious mansion in his hometown. This is a state-of-the-art mansion. This is an 8-bedroom mansion sitting in over 30 plots of land. The interior of this mansion will blow your mind. Here is a quick tour of the interior of this exotic mansion. This particular mansion is one of my favorites. It belongs to a 29-year-old young Igbo billionaire, Mr. Ifechukwu. He's an importer that based in Lagos. He hails from Nnewi in Anambra State, Nigeria. This mansion is different, not too big, but screams luxury and class. You will be amazed by the interior of this expensive and luxurious mansion. During the festive season, Nigerian tech guru Mr. B. Lord visited this expensive mansion and he was amazed by the edifice. Here is a quick tour of this luxurious mansion. This mansion belongs to an Igbo billionaire, Dr. Ebuka Nnokwu, who hails from Ihembosi in Anambra State, Nigeria. He is the founder and CEO of Seahorse Oil and Lubricant, one of the best-selling engine oils in Nigeria. Dr. Ebuka owns one of the most exquisite mansions in the entire Southeast. This mansion is a true definition of taste, luxury, and class. The interior of this mansion is a true reflection of luxury. Here is a quick tour of this mansion. This is not South Africa or Lagos. This is in Mbise in Imo State, the southeastern part of Nigeria. This edifice belongs to Engineer Francis Nwagogo, aka Vintage Interior, Mwachinemere 1 of Mbise. He is the CEO of Vintage Interior, one of the biggest interior designers in Nigeria. He is also a partner of the luxurious brand Odogwu Bitters and also a major partner in the Cubana Group. But during the festive season, he was welcome in his hometown in grand style. You have to see the expensive and luxurious car he came in with his Rolls Royce, Maybach, Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon and many more. Engineer Francis Nwagogo calls this mansion the Vintage Manor. This mansion is a true reflection of luxury. This mansion has 4 sitting rooms, 8 bedrooms, a cinema room, a gym house, a football pitch, 2 swimming pools, an indoor and an outdoor pool. This mansion is reportedly worth over 10 billion naira. Chibuzo Madaboko, who is also known as Man Like Chico, is one of the most wanted bachelors in Nigeria, the son of Igbo young billionaire Chief Benson Madaboko. The founder of the Chico group of companies, Man Like Chico owns an exotic mansion in his hometown in Adazan in Anambra State. This is not just your regular type of mansion, this is an estate with over 6 mighty duplexes in the compound. When he returned home for the festive season, look at the expensive and luxurious convoy and supercars he came in with. This is a quick tour of the interior of some of these mansions. During the festive season, Igbo young billionaire Mr. Mighty One of Umuchukwu welcomed Obi Kubana to his astonishing mansion in Anambra State. Obi Kubana was stunned by the beauty of this edifice that he called himself a poor man. Like they said, there are levels to this money making. The interior of this mansion speaks luxury. All the furniture are gold plated. This mansion is sitting on a whopping 30 plots of land. Here is a quick tour of this luxurious mansion. Jowizaza is the son of Igbo billionaire and oil magnate, the founder of Jesco Oil and Lubricant. His son, Jowizaza, who is the managing director of his father's business empire, Chief Joseph Okafor, who owns an exotic mansion in his hometown in Ekulobia. This mansion is an edifice. All the interior of these mansions are gold-plated, and they're all imported from Turkey. This mansion was constructed and designed by Julius Berger. Here is a quick tour of this luxurious mansion. This state-of-the-art mansion was located in Owerri, Imo State, a true reflection of luxury. This is a 6-bedroom duplex with a gym house, an office, a cinema room, and a rooftop. The interior of this mansion is just beautiful. From the staircase to the compound, here is a quick tour of this luxurious mansion. Like they say, wealth has gone to the youth. This next mansion belongs to an Igbo young billionaire who is just 33 years old. He is Emeka Somonu, a young entrepreneur popularly known as Don Chuxy. He is the son of a renowned Igbo business tycoon, Chief Dr. Patrick Somonu, popularly known as Penko. Emeka owns an astonishing edifice in his hometown in Omaya, Abia State. This mansion is a beauty to behold. A stunning mansion is a true definition of luxury, taste, and comfort. This mansion is reportedly worth over 6 billion naira. Here is a quick tour of this luxurious mansion. Emeka Okonkwo, who is popularly known as Emoney, as he loves living an expensive and luxurious life. Emoney owns a twin astonishing duplex in his hometown in Uli, Anambra State. The twin mansion belongs to him and his elder brother KC. This state-of-the-art mansion shows why they call him Emoney. The interior of this mansion will blow your mind. All the furniture in these mansions are all imported, looking like a royal palace. This is luxury. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Drop a comment below, tell us what you think about it. Who do you think has the most beautiful and expensive mansions among these mansions?